Hello, this is Jim from Tech Buzz, and today we're going to have a quick look and unboxing of the new Jabra Elite 65T in-ears true wireless earbuds. And on the box, this is what you're presented with. On the side, superior sound for 145 years, exceptional engineering, and we have a 4 microphone enhanced sound, customize your music, and proven wireless connection. And on the side here, it'll give us the details of the contents, and on the back it'll give us some more information. And up to 5 hours or 15 hours with charging case, 2-year dust and water resistant warranty, voice assistant enabled, 4 microphone enhanced sound, and again custom your music and proven wireless connection. And that's basically what's on the package. So if we pop it out, we're presented with a nice package like so, as always with Jabra, and it's a nice yellow distinguishable box. And here we have a pull out here, and then you're presented with the buds off the bat, as you can see. Nothing else on the back of the packaging there. So first of all, here we get our leaflets, and if you just pop this out like so, and in here we have all our booklets, and then we have our USB cable here and some extra tips there, which is handy to have. And we have our Jabra charge case here, which seems to be a bit more ergonomic from the previous one, smaller as well. If you remember the last review we did with the Elite Sport, and we can see we've a battery, we've a covering up here of where you will insert the buds themselves. As you can see, there is charging connectors there, and of course the buds themselves. Just pop them out for now and see if there's anything else underneath. And no, that's it. So there they are there in the flesh, and they look pretty sweet indeed. They actually look much nicer than the Elite Sport, if I must say. And you can see we have some notches either end there, and you can see basically what they look like there. So nice touchy clicky feel off them there when you press them, so that's pretty cool. And you can see the connectors there which connect to the battery box there that we seen earlier on, and the buds just pop in here, so you can just change them by simply peeling off like so, and that's it. So then, as before, we can see a green charging light here on the bottom of the case with the micro USB cable there, and if you just pop them in, one and two, and we'll close it up, and that'll be how you would store them and carry them around, which is pretty handy indeed, which also keeps them safe from getting damaged should you drop it or anything like that, rather than keeping them carried loose in your pocket or whatever the case may be. But it's a pretty neat case indeed, and pretty secure as well. And you can see again here that they are charging there by the green light. So that's just a quick unboxing. Stay tuned for the review coming soon, and if you have any questions, get in touch with us at techbuzzrun.com. And that's the Jabra Elite 65T. Stay tuned for more Jabra products soon, and I'll talk to you in the next ones. And don't forget to hit subscribe down at the bottom, and don't be afraid to ask any questions or if you need any commentary on them and help or assistance. And thanks for watching.